Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to put your TikTok account in Spanish. And the first step is go to the application of TikTok. And here in your feed, you need to go to the option of your profile here. And after that, you need to go to the superior right corner in the bottom of these three lines here. And you need to pick in these three lines. So here you got a panel with three options: Creator Tools, My QR Code, and Settings and Privacy. So you need to put here in Settings and Privacy, and after that the only thing you need to do is go down to the option of here in Language, and here you need to pick here in the first option of App Language, and you got the option of Change to Spanish. So the last step is pick here in Spanish, and you pick in done, and that's it. You complete the process. This is a easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.